Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Mafeli. Today I will be starting a new series with you right on this channel. This series is called Low Iodine Diet Series for anyone who wants to start eating healthy, anyone who wants to lose healthy weight, or diagnosed of any health issues that requires them to eat low iodine diet. Remember, this series will help you or someone that you know. So before we get started, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done that yet, and turn on the notification button so that you will be the first to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Like and share. Let's get started. These are the vegetables I'm using for my recipe. So I'll be cutting the onion, ginger, and garlic and set aside for blending.
Continental food mistress, international food madam. Manfeli's kitchen fair.
Next, I'll dice my tomatoes into smaller pieces and set aside. Here you can blend if you prefer, but I am not going to blend this. I want to have it the way I want it. So I'm going to dice them into smaller pieces and set aside nicely. After dicing the tomatoes, I will also use 5 egg whites. Here you can use the whole egg if you don't have issues with the yolk. But if you want to go for a pure iodine diet, then skip the yolk. Next, I added olive oil into my pot. I allow it to medium heat and add the blended ingredient. Rinse the blender and add the water into it and start to let it cook. Just stir it a little bit, cover it halfway and let cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. But stir it periodically to avoid it burning under the pot. After 7 minutes, I added the diced tomatoes, stir, cover it, and allow it to cook. Here I'm going to stir it periodically to avoid the stew to get burnt. So I will cook until half of the water evaporates. At this point, I can see that the water in the stew is going out and is becoming thicker. So I added 1 can of fish into it and stir slowly. Here I added a canned fish because I didn't have fish. So this is what I had to use. But you can use fish or any other protein. Possibly you can use turkey or chicken, which is low in iodine as well. I also season it with rosemary, thyme, basil, paprika, cumin powder, and Himalayan salt to taste. Here you can use iodized salt if you do not have issues with iodine, but this is low iodine diet, so I prefer using non-iodized salt for this recipe. Next, I added my egg white, cover it and allow it to be solid. I do not want the egg spread everywhere, so I want it to be solid. That is why I cover it halfway to be solid, just like this. Just look at it. It is very nice and beautiful. So I'm going to stir it slowly. I don't want it to split, okay? So that I'll get it very beautiful and nice, just like the way you see it. So at this point, our stew is almost done. So I'm going to add the onion into it, turn up the heat and allow it to simmer and cook beautifully whilst I go on and start with my rice. Here I'm going to cook with brown rice, okay? So that is why it is low iodine diet. If you want to go with a low iodine diet, ensure that everything is healthy and nice. While I allow the stew to simmer, I go ahead to add water into a pot and bring to a boil. Next, I scoop 3 cups of brown rice into a jar, wash it nicely whilst we are waiting for the water to boil.
Feli's kitchen fair, fair, fair. See the fine way you no get.
Once the water starts boiling, I went in with the white rice, add some olive oil into it and salt, stir, cover and allow it to cook. Here, understand that brown rice is a whole grain, so it takes long to cook. It needs a lot of water to cook it to be a bit softer. Brown rice can never be too soft like white rice, okay? So understand that. And after some time, this is how it looks. Our brown rice is almost done. So at this point, I'm going to lower the heat, cover it, and allow it to cook completely. And once it's done cooking, then our meal is ready to be served and enjoy. I'm serving this with my cucumber. I love cucumber so much. So if you also love it, then add it. If you don't like cucumber, then skip. You can add any veggie of your choice. Thank you all so much for staying with me until this time, and I believe you enjoyed this recipe. If you did enjoy it and it will be helpful for you or someone else that you know, then why don't you subscribe? Turn on the notification button and like, share, and leave your comment in the comment section. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. This is Mafeli. Always remember at Mafeli, we believe in the old adage, your health is your wealth. So be mindful of what you eat. And until I see you in my next video, stay safe, fit and healthy. Nyame boa, yeke ye biako. Bye. Oh.